Hello friends, my name is Rudin VS. You're watching me on Techmara's YouTube channel. I read this quote on the internet which says, the best camera is the one in your hand.
That is the camera in your mobile phone for most people, as we don't carry our DSLR around in day-to-day life.
So here I'll give you 5 awesome mobile photography tips. So make sure to watch till the end of this video so that you can take that awesome photos from your next trip. Tip number 1, clean your lens. Yeah, it sounds a little stupid, right? But really, if you think about it, you're keeping your phone in your pocket, or you may be keeping it on tabletop or any other place.
Even if there is a slight coating of oil or dust on the lens, you will lose lot of sharpness in the image and it won't be as pleasing as you thought it would be.
Tip number 2, lighting on photos. We all know that lighting is important for photos. With good lighting, you will get good photos. But even if you have good lighting, some of the parts of the photo will not be well exposed. So for that, there is a very good tip.
Once you open your camera app and you feel it's not well lit, then tap on the area where it is not well lit. It will adjust the brightness.
So when you do this, make sure not to overexpose your photos. Tip number 3, frame your photo. There is a rule in photography called the rule of third. What it says is, when you take a photo of a person, like portrait photo or something, what you have to do is you have to frame the photo as such the person is 1/3 of left or 1/3 of right of this photo. So what it gives is, it gives more meaning to the entire photo itself.
There is a feature in camera app called grid. So to enable this, you need to go to camera app and settings, go to grid. I would suggest you to go for 3x3. There is other options also like 4x4 or 5x5. So in this photo, I think having the object in 1/3 of the entire photo makes it a better photo overall.
Tip number 4, do not zoom. Nowadays, mobile phones are coming with dual cameras, triple cameras, quad cameras, etc.
Some phones are coming with telephoto lens and macro lens and some depth sensing lens also. But the best lens in the phone is usually the primary cam or primary lens. So if you want to get a closer look on some object, you may prefer to zoom in on the object. But when you zoom in, what happens is it may switch to different lens. So the entire photo may not be as good as if you shot with primary lens. When you further zoom in, apart from the telephoto lens's capability, what happens is it actually zooms in like digitally cropping the photo. It is just like zooming in after you take the actual photo. You lose lot of quality of the photo as well as it will have lot of grains.
The best option would be to move closer to the object, but some cases it is not possible. So in that case, what I would suggest is take the photo as it is, then zoom in and crop the photo afterwards. So what it gives is, it gives you option to crop and edit your photo in different perspective. So if you are zooming in and taking the photo, you lose the flexibility of editing and cropping afterwards. Tip number 5 and the last tip in this video is use Google Camera. If you look at the smartphone market, the best camera phone is iPhone or Google Pixel. They do not have tons of megapixel or hardware support. What they have is the raw software power they have. With that, they are actually leading the market when there is tons of other camera phones with quad camera, triple camera, etc. Some very good developers managed to extract this camera app of Google Pixel and made it compatible with other phones. So when you use it, you will know the difference. It will go from okay to awesome. Strictly speaking, Google Camera, also known as Gcam, is not official. So if you search on Google Play Store for Gcam or Google Camera, you will not get it. Or even if you are getting some, it is not the actual one what we are talking. I'll give link of a website where you can find lot of Google Camera APK files. From there you can download and install in your phone. This is a legitimate site and you don't have to worry about any virus affecting your phone from the site. The one thing that is you have to look out for is Google Camera or Gcam is mostly available for phones with Snapdragon processor, and moreover one Google Camera application that is okay with say OnePlus 7 may not be compatible with Redmi Note 7 Pro. So each mobile have individual Google Camera APK files. So you have to search for your phone's APK files from the site or any other place which you trust and install that. So after you install, make sure to check out the night mode in this Gcam. It is revolutionary. That has made Google Camera very popular once it is got released. So that's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you will get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. And moreover, if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask that in the comment section of this video. And goodbye, see you on the next video.